da 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 da. Tan taran 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 taran. Taran 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 taran. Hi! We are in... What's that? The moon! The moon! We are in the moon! Dun, dun, dun. We're in the moon! Can you believe that? We are in the moon. Where's the moon? There! Ayun! And over there too. Oh, it's coming out! So, ni-raid uli namin si Tita Saysay. We are in... Ratanaburi. may moon pala sa Ratanaburi.
Yeah.
Kaya, i-invade namin si Tita Saysay and then, sabi ni Tita Say, maganda daw yung sunset. So, let's see yung sunset.
Yes.
Yay!
The sunset will
And
be there. Wait.
There.
There. Okay.
I want to see the sun.
You know.
Okay. But I want to so, later. Let's go. I want to see the sunset.
Okay.
Of course, it's a sunset, so it's going down.
Going in.
Ito yung pambato ko. Look at this. Wow, say hi. Hi. Ganda-ganda yan today. Ganda-ganda yan today. Huh?
Dalagan-dalaga eh.
Turn around muna, dali. Show your skirt. 1, 2, 3. Woo! One more. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Nice.
Maganda yung slow-mo. No.
Oo, paso.
Slow-mo ko pala.
Doon dapat umikot ka din.
Ah, saan?
Doon.
Ayun, dun anak, cute. There. Oh, yeah. A long string. Saan, tita? Doon. Wow, look at that. Let's see this later pag madilim-dilim.
Yan sa gitna.
Kaso baka masakit. Mahalas?
Okay. Hug ate.
Put it down.
Hug ate.
Cow's under control.
Hug ate. Ang mukha baga.
Look, babe, cows! Oh, look. Cows and dogs. So the dog is the one who's taking care of Daddy, the mommy, and the baby. This one.
Alexis.
So many cows. I can't watch it. I really want to. Came from there. Oh, I want to see the cows walking by. Hello, cows. Wow, look at that. Clap your hands. I got one stop by. Where is it? Look there, look. Oh, so bright. What a beautiful day to start camp.
Buhay-bukid naman kayo.
The borrow, the borrow.
Ganda naman ang itsura ng
Bakasyonista sa bukid. Yan, lalo na to.
Fashionista ng
From Manila.
turn around there, dali. Turn around, dali. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
The color of the panty.
Black.
One more time, dali. We didn't see the color of your panty.
Oh, this is a vegetable.
Your vegetable.
Hey,
Onion to, di ba?
taking my phone.
Oo,
Go
spring
away. I will take the baby
Ay, oo, yung
Put tomatoes.
So, pag-order daw kami ng salad, sabi ni Tita Sai, fresh from the garden.
Fresh.
Maghahalu-haluin lahat to. Ano to, may kangkong,
Kang.
spring onions.
Ano ba yan? Repolyo?
Repolyo ata to. Oo.
Or it's a broccoli or cauliflower.
Ayan, huli ka. Look, ate, this is a
Yeah.
cabbage.
It's a cabbage.
Oh, see? Oh. Uy, this is my first time na magkita ng
Cabbage.
ng cabbage. In fairness.
You like cabbage?
What cabbage? Yeah, look at this. Oh, you can see it still here. Huh? A bigger one. It's ready to pick. This one too. Oh. Oh.
Welcome to my hacienda.
So big cabbage.
It's bigger than your head.
So next time we will bring Banji here.
It's Banji.
Oh my.
Ah! Si Sushi?
Si Sushi. Next time we will bring Banji here.
But don't let him eat all the cabbages.
He will.
The owner will be angry. And then chip the sushi away.
He will eat everything. Banji will be happy and full.
And then,
And then he will be happy
she,
from home.
Banji ba?
Oh, si Banji
Will not go home. He will not go to see Sakit again.
yes.
He, your rabbit will stay here. Swing. Okay, let's go to the swing. Nakalimot na daw.
So, Mom, you two attack.
Be careful na. Parang bibigay na yan. Na ano.
Look,
Oh, picture na lang, picture.
behind
Oh, dali
you
na.
will be
Go there.
string beans.
String bean. Long beans, string beans. String beans ba? Baby, dali, I will take a photo with the... Ah, okay, you want here.
Turn around muna. There. Yan.
Okay, turn around.
2, 3. Say, ako ay kabugera.
Lulusog, no?
Nung kami high school, may ganito din kami.
Okay, so, ang sitaw po ay nagpaalala sa kabataan ni Irish.
Ang utong.
Utong.
Ang utong. Baw.
Lulusog na ano nila. Sitaw.
So, pag o-order tayo... Ush! Tinanggal agad. No, ano? Pag o-order tayo ng kapaw, ito na, fresh from the sitawan.
Ano na lang, kuha na lang. No?
You might step on the mud.
Oh, we can stay there na if you want. Paano na tayo? Yung upuan? Para ma-feel nyo, magkaroon kayo ng ano. You ask daddy to go there. Dali.
No.
They will set up there.
Kunwari pa habain mo yun.
Hello. Ha. Hello. Hello. Oh my.
Pwede ka ata mag-harvest dito, babayaran mo lang yung ano.
Naaapakan na yung iba. Oh.
Cut the tree.
Go, anak. Cut that tree down.
Ha. 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 Hello, doggy. Where's your food?
Oh, there's dog. Oh, you can sit down there with ate. You is, ano, sakaw ka, sa dog siya.
Let's play the glass.
Ah, dali, sit down there.
The one you have to pick right. Like squeaking.
Left, right.
Hurry up. The truck is running up.
And there.
Which one
You reach the swing.
Oh, let's go down. Mom, sister! I'm swinging harder. It's like sounds like a
Okay. Oh.
gonna fall off this one.
Smile. Smile.
Hi, what are you eating?
Chocolava ice
Let's see
cream,
your chocolate
strawberry.
ice cream. Wow.
Hmm.
Mmm.
Can I try
Hindi naman
that,
mainit, diba?
Daddy? That one.
Which one?
Wow.
Which one?
Oh, marshmallow.
Add with chocolate.
Mm.
Happy Valentine's Day. Ano may orgasm ka na? Gosh ka. Ano ba yan?
Strawberry? There's strawberry.
We are in the middle of the field
Again.
again to try some ambience.
Ang dami na yung Jolly Nation.
We went to the first, the second one. Oh my gosh, we went to so many cafes. Rimsura,
What is this? The moon.
Nasaan siya?
Oh my, so many cafes we went to. I'll eat the pink one first.
How about ice cream?
Dessert.
So this is our Valentine's date with Tita Saysay kasi wala daw siyang kadet. Ayun, ang sarap.
Siga ang upo ng
Ang siga. Ang siga ng sisakit.
So guys, we're waiting for the sunset.
Nakikita mo?
Ayan, yung iniintay naming sunset parang hindi namin makikita. Kasi tumago na siya sa ulap.
Ang ganda ng ulap.
Oh, you're so cute, girls. Ano ko, nakaano naman yung isa.
Today. I'll pop you.
Sea clouds. Look, ate, look. It looks like cotton candy. Are, are, are.
Pepe, look at ate. Ate, look. Payaye. Yan ang ganda oh. Yan ang ganda oh. Look at there, ano Alexis?
Mainit.
Indak, ano? At your back.
Not there. Doon sa ano.
Mommy, why the clouds are getting so pop-it?
It looks like a pop-it, yeah?
Pop it.
Wow. May
Wait.
ano pa, nuggets. Masarap.
Ba yung cake na pala?
Hindi nilimutan mo na.
Limutan ko.
Ay. Later, anak.
We forgot. We
Kasi
forgot to buy a present.
araw-araw Valentine's eh.
No.
Hindi mo na maramdaman yung
We
ano.
forgot to buy a
Isang
present.
araw na Valentine.
No need
Anong
for the
pinagkaiba nun?
present.
Sa araw-araw.
Alusot ka pa.
Ayoko nga ng bulaklak. Yung halaman na lang.